The nervous system allows us to move around. The central nervous system plans ahead the movement, and the peripheral nervous system carries it out. This is possible due to the excellent communication established between nerve cells configuring a complex wiring network. Neurons, that are the main nervous system cell type, talk to each other by using chemical messengers called neurotransmitters through the synapse. The presynaptic neuron releases neurotransmitters from the terminal side of its wiring, which is called axon, and the postsynaptic neuron captures them in the initial side, called dendrites. If activating neurotransmitters are released, they will electrically charge the cell, and the impulse will travel through the whole cell body and up to the end of the axon. Then, neurotransmitters will be released there to interact with the next cell reaching the muscle. Through the neuromuscular junction, the movement will be performed. To connect distant neurons, axons can be very long. For example, for motor neurons, they can be 1 meter long. If there is an injury in these axons, due to an accident or a disease damaging them, neurons cannot transmit the information and this communication is lost. With the aim of improving the quality of life of people suffering mobility problems due to alterations in their nervous system, at the Institut de Neurociències de la Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, we study on the one hand the diseases that can cause difficulties in mobility, and on the other hand try to find ways to recover the movement after an accident or degeneration.